Human history is not just a series of dates and events, it is the unfolding saga of a species that emerged from the shadows of prehistory into the light of consciousness and culture. Long before the first word was spoken, before the invention of tools or fire, there existed a primal struggle for survival in a world both beautiful and brutal. Imagine a time when the earth was wild and untamed, a vast wilderness of towering forests, endless plains, and icy mountains. In this raw wilderness, early human ancestors faced relentless challenges, fierce predators stalking their every move, scarce food sources forcing them into constant search and movement, and unpredictable weather threatening their fragile existence. Yet, amidst this adversity, a quiet revolution was underway. These early beings were not the masters of their environment, but they possessed a unique spark, the capacity to observe, learn, and adapt. This spark would ignite the flames of humanity's remarkable journey. The path from mere survival to true humanity was paved with cooperation. Early humans discovered that strength multiplied when shared, and vulnerability diminished when standing together. Group living became the bedrock of their existence. They hunted in coordinated packs, defended against predators as one, and nurtured their young with collective care. This emerging social structure was unprecedented in the animal kingdom. Communication, though primitive, began to weave a complex web of understanding through shared glances, gestures, and sounds. The human brain, responding to these new social demands, grew larger and more intricate. It was not only the physical environment that was changing, the landscape within the human mind was expanding, setting the stage for culture, language, and identity. One of the most profound changes in this evolutionary saga was the transformation to upright walking. This seemingly simple adaptation reshaped the destiny of humanity. By rising on two legs, early humans freed their hands to craft tools, carry food, and nurture offspring. This new posture also provided an elevated perspective of the world, enabling better detection of danger and opportunity. The skeletal and muscular changes that accompanied bipedalism demanded enhanced balance, coordination, and neural control, fostering greater cognitive complexity. This shift was not merely anatomical, it marked a leap in human potential, the first step toward innovation, exploration, and mastery over the environment. The emergence of tool-making was a testament to human ingenuity. No longer passive observers of nature, early humans became active participants, shaping stones, bones, and wood into implements that extended their physical capabilities. Each tool was a tangible expression of foresight, problem-solving, and creativity. This knowledge was shared, refined, and handed down, creating a continuous chain of learning that strengthened the community's ability to thrive. Tools became more than objects, they were symbols of human intellect and adaptability. With tools, humans could hunt larger game, build shelters, and manipulate their surroundings, gradually transforming from prey to predator, from victims of nature to architects of their own destiny. The discovery and harnessing of fire stand as one of humanity's greatest breakthroughs. Fire was a source of warmth in icy landscapes, a beacon of safety against nocturnal predators, and a means to extend daylight hours. Crucially, cooking transformed nutrition by making food more digestible and energy-rich, fueling the development of larger brains. But fire's power extended beyond the physical, it illuminated the social and spiritual realms. Around the glowing embers, humans gathered to share stories, bond, and transmit knowledge. These communal fires kindled the first sparks of culture and collective memory, fostering emotional connections and shared identities that transcended mere survival. Storytelling emerged as a fundamental human trait, long before written language. Around fires and within communal spaces, early humans communicated experiences, lessons, and emotions through sounds, gestures, and expressions. These narratives were not only practical, they preserved wisdom, warned of dangers, and reinforced social bonds. Storytelling allowed humans to imagine worlds beyond their immediate reality, envisioning past events and possible futures. It nurtured empathy and cooperation by enabling individuals to understand each other's perspectives and emotions. In this way, storytelling was the glue that held human societies together and the seed from which complex cultures and civilizations would grow. As human cognition evolved, so too did spiritual and philosophical inquiry. Faced with the mysteries of life and death, natural phenomena, and their own place in the cosmos, humans sought meaning beyond the tangible world. This quest gave rise to early religions, rituals, and moral codes, systems that provided comfort in uncertainty and order amid chaos. Spiritual beliefs fostered social cohesion and identity, uniting communities through shared values and practices. These intangible aspects of human culture reflected a profound shift. humans were no longer content with mere existence, they yearned to understand, to belong, and to transcend. The dawn of agriculture marked a radical turning point in human history. By domesticating plants and animals, humans shifted from nomadic hunter-gatherers to settled farmers. This newfound stability enabled population growth, the development of villages, and eventually sprawling cities. Alongside these advances came new social structures, including leadership, trade, laws, and organized religion. The rise of civilizations brought incredible achievements in art, science, technology, and governance. Yet, it also introduced inequality, conflict, and environmental transformation. From humble beginnings in the wild, humans had forged complex societies that shaped not only their own destinies but the fate of the entire planet.